this group known as Hamas, based out of Gaza, conducts this massive incursion. The most doctrinally correct word is it was an incursion across a border within one country, closest to a civil war, much closer to a civil war than an attack from a foreign nation, right? They carry out this incursion that uses terrorist tactics, terrorist tools, but also targets military targets for a political goal that has been stated and consistent since 1987. Now we live in this world where what is this thing that's happening? The United States labels the group as a terrorist group. However, all humanitarian aid that we send to Palestine has to go through Hamas. Like, they control the politics, they control the governance, they control the hospitals. Not terror. Al-Qaeda never controlled hospitals, right? It's not as clear as we think it is, but it's hard to get that nuance across with the velocity and volume of information. So now we live in this world where velocity and volume of information make it so that we all see the dead bodies and the crying children and the dying women on the Palestinian side, but we also read about the atrocities that were executed against these Israelis in a surprise attack on October 7th. We're faced with all the information, and there's no clarity as to what's really the nuance, what's really the battlefield, what are we really looking at here? So you've got Israel trying to counter what they know is a threat to their national sovereignty, but they've also got a problem with a group that was created because of the oppression they put on the Palestinian people. And that is what the group states is their whole core purpose. The reason they exist at all is because of that oppression. So you've got this absolute mess that the world is watching play out day to day, but at the same time, the world isn't invested enough to actually try to resolve the conflict.
Freedom! So fresh on me. Freedom!